I'm Sagar Sethi. And,
Please
I
use mic.
represent my
Mic.
company, Sweet Group, which is a cost consultant plus PMC. So yeah, I understood the point, why it is beneficiary from the point of view of owner and the contractor. So it's good for a consultant to make a BIM modeling. But being a cost consultant company, I was interested that what it makes sure that my bills of quantity is very close and accurate. It covers every item as compared to when we do this the traditional way. So how could this could be helpful in making the bill of quantity?
There is, okay, I'll tell you where there is a slight gap and where there is a need for a specialist QS consultant if quantities are to be very really measured and interpreted and suggestion to the client from a cost perspective has to be given. Is when you build a model, the model is built in its own way. There are different criteria, different methodology, you create different work sets. So based on that you get quantities which is based on the different elements that you have modeled. The structuring of this or the formatting of this need not necessarily match up with the type of BOQ that you issue out. If I have to classify an example, the BOQ may just give M30 concrete, but your model may be configured in a way where it's giving you column wise and different wise basically quantities in a different way. Now that marrying up skills is very important. So if you become a cost consultant, you have to define your architects and consultants saying that this is I'm responsible for. Please ensure that your work set division are happening like this, because ultimately if the quantities are extracted out of the model, it will be used there. Plus still today as a practice, somebody was talking about form work. You already spoke about that. Most of the consultant does not model, they don't get into modeling of temporary works. Because temporary works generally they say it's a part of exclusion, and you tend to create basically a different sets of interpretations, or you create some, even if you have to work out form work quantities, you create some artificial element there to basically take the quantity out. Now these are some of the specialist areas where a quantity consultant with a very specific focus can create tremendous value, because if you look at an architect and an engineer, they are more focused on completing the design. Okay. Now this is an area where I feel it could be a very niche area for a QS consultant to develop an edge there. Plus you can have, there are different add-on utilities which are available, which can give you like a cost. The moment you take the model and the quantities are aligned, it can immediately throw out cost to you. Plus, once the model is ready and if it is sequenced in the right way, you can actually create a complete material flow pattern to the client, where one of the deliverables we recently gave to one of our clients was, we said the client didn't have any person at the site who is equipped in terms of working on BIM environment. So we said okay fine, we create a BIM model and we created the complete monthly material flow sheet where X month, say January, this is going to be the visual appearance based on the site construction. This is the major material flow, concrete quantities, steel quantities and other things, and this is the broad cost. Cost was given as an option in the another sheet for them, but that month-wise sheet was given, and in the site office that month-wise poster was basically sticked with a blank page below it to basically paste the actual photo and actual quantities, and we were monitoring it what is there based on the actual plan. Now this is a very crude way of implementation in terms of putting up the hard copy at site, but yeah, it gives a very different amount of a virtual feel. You can see what is going to be with the progress and things like that. So there are a lot of other similar things which you can do. You can get engaged into the entire construction process, whatever is the stage. Now you can keep updating the schedule accordingly. So 4D and 5D is one area which generally a QS or a cost consultant can get into in terms of getting more enhanced, getting more involved in those type of areas.